Do you see these beautiful stunning gifts? Are you eager to make them? Well, if you are looking to gift someone with your whole heart, or you want to make living in this art and craft segment, or you want to level up your creative hobby, we got it all covered for you. After finishing this course, you will get our academic certification as well. In this course, you will learn to make luxurious and royal designed gift packing and wrapping. After finishing the course, you will able to make amazing hampers, tissue packing, dress packing, bouquets such as chocolate money or money chocolate combined on different platters. Gifts for anniversary, baby shower, wedding, engagement, birthdays, festivals and occasions. Over 100 plus different creative ideas which you can choose from and learn from. Our experts have large amount of experience in these art segment. You can also have their personal contact numbers for mentorship whenever you need it. And we will keep updating it time after time according to the current trends. So what are you waiting for? Click the video right now or click the button below and visit our website. We have uploaded free videos over there and hurry up!